Hello guys, welcome to Crack the Logic with KC, part of the Gurukul's CAT 100 Study Room to Boardroom series. In this LRDI series, we will be solving 100 carefully chosen sets for the next 100 days. I am Krishna Chaitanya and get ready to train your brain. So today we'll be solving one more data interpretation problem, and today's set is a combination of line graphs and tables. So pause the video and try to solve the problem, and then we'll continue with the video. Okay, let's see what is happening. The following graph and table give information regarding the sales of a mobile company SMS and the total market sales of the mobiles during the period 2009 to 18. Note, the company SMS sells only mobiles. So we have a table, we have years, we have average selling price per mobile of the company SMS, and we have a line graph in that there are two lines. One line is talking about the percentage market share of the company SMS in the total market sales by value of the company of mobiles. Second one, profit of the company SMS as a percentage of its sales, and we have 4 questions following that. So let's look at each question separately and try to solve and see what is happening. First one, if in the year 2015 the sales of the mobiles of SMS company form 25% by volume of its total market sales of mobiles, what is the average selling price per mobile of all the other companies together? First of all, we need to understand what is this average selling price mean. Can I say, for example, if you are going to a hotel and you are making 1000 rupees bill and you are eating 10 plates of tiffin, can I say average billing value is equal to 1000 by 10, which is 100 rupees? Now this is the average price of each item which every person is eating. That does not mean the price of each item is 100 rupees. Some can be less than 100, some can be more than 100, but this is the average price. How am I getting average price? That is always value by volume. Clear? This is the first thing we need to understand. Whenever they say average, average is always equal to value by volume, and we are talking exclusively in this case. Okay, now what is happening in 2015? Let the total sale value in 2015, total sale value is equal to 100x, because we don't know what is the value. Now the same way, total sale volume is equal to 100y. That is the first part. And SMS company forms 25% volume. So sales value of SMS is equal to how much? Sales volume of SMS is equal to how much? This two we need to write first. Now value will be equal to whatever is given over here, that is 25, volume is equal to whatever is given here, which is 25%. Now 25% of what? Of the volume. So volume is 25% of 100y, which is 25y. Now what is the value? In 2015, value is 40%. 40% out of what? Of 100x, which is equal to 40x. Now what will be the average selling price? That will be equal to value by volume. That's what we discussed. Value is 40x, volume is 25y. But we already know average selling price per mobile is in 2015 is 3000. So this is equal to 3000. If this is equal to 3000, can I say x by y is equal to 3000 into 25 by 40? Let's not calculate, let's leave it over here. Now what is the question talking about? What is the average selling price per mobile of all the other companies together? Now if SMS is taking 40x as value, other companies' value in 2015 should be equal to 60x. The same way, other companies' volume in 2015 should be equal to 75y. Clear? In that case, other companies' average selling price should be equal to 60x by 75y. But I already know x by y equal to something which is over here. If I substitute here, this will be 60 by 75 into 3000 into 25 by 40. This will be 23s, 22s, 25 1s, 25 3s, 3 and 3, this is 1500. So average selling price of all the other companies together in the year 2015 is 1500. That is the average selling price. Clear? It's an easy question only, but you need to understand the logic. First we need to get this one and then go there, substitute that one. Perfect. Let's try to solve the second one. In how many of the years from 2010 to 18 did the value of the sales of the mobiles of SMS increase and the profit of SMS decrease over the previous year? So first of all, I need to know what is the sales, I need to know what is the profit of SMS company. From 2010, let's see. In 2010, can I say sales value is equal to 40% out of 2500? So this will be 40% out of 2500, which is 1000 crores. Now profit in 2010 is equal to 15% of sales, that is 1000, which is 150 crores. Clear how we are solving? Let's do for 2011 also, and then you can continue with the remaining values. Sales value is equal to 60% out of 2000. So 60% out of 2000, which is equal to 1200. Now profit is equal to 10%. So 10% of the sales, 1200, is equal to 120. Similarly, you need to write the values from 2010 to 2018. Now pause the video over here, try to write down all the values. Take some 2-3 minutes, you will get all the values, and then we'll continue with the question. Now let's see what is happening. They are asking us value of the sales should increase. Let's see how many times value is increasing. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not happening. This is happening. This is happening. And this is happening. Value of the sales of SMS are increasing. Very good. Now at the same time, profit decreases over the previous year. This is decreasing. Very good. This is working. This is decreasing, working. This is increasing, no. This is increasing, no. This is decreasing, yes. This is decreasing, yes. This is increasing, no. This is also increasing, no. Now both should happen. This is also happening. This is also happening. So it will happen in 2011. Next, 11 to 12. This is happening. This is also happening. It will happen in 2012 also. This is happening, this is not happening, no. This is happening, not happening, not happening, happening. Here both are happening. Again it happens in 2016. So this happens only for 3 times in the given time period. So your answer is option A, less than 5 times. Clear? Perfect. So in this question, the whole concept is you need to write down all the values, then only it is easy for us to answer. Now without writing all these values, just by looking at the graph we can answer. That we'll see in the future videos. For now, still we are in this initial phase only. So I want you to calculate everything. Even if we are wasting some 3-4 minutes for calculation also, it's all okay till you get correct answers. Okay. Next one. The ratio of the profit earned by SMS the ratio of the profit earned by SMS in the year 2014 to that in the year 2018. So profit in 2014 by profit in 2018 is what we need to calculate. Now how will I get profit? Let's see 14. Profit is 20%. Okay. 20%. Out of what? 20% of the sales. Sales are 45%. Out of what? Out of total market, that is 4,000. By 2018, profit is 16%. Out of what? Out of 15% in the total market, that is 5,000. Now this hundreds get cancelled and 000, 000, 0 and 0, 5, 9, 4, 4 and 2 and 2, which will be equal to 9 by 10. That is option D. This is a basic one. Perfect. Next, what is percentage increase in the profit from 2016 to 2018? So profit in 2016 is equal to 11% of 66.66%, which is equal to 2 by 3 of total value in 2016, that is 3,000. This will be 1,000 and 0000 gets cancelled, which will be 20 into 20 is the total profit in the year 2016. Next, what? Profit in 2018. Profit in 2018 will be equal to 16% of 50%, that is half of 5,000. 0000 gets cancelled. This will be 8. So 50 into 8. 400. Now I know profit in 2016, profit in 2018. They are asking us percentage increase. So from here to here, how much percentage increase happened? So there is an increase of 180 units, and that 180 units is happening on what value? On the initial value 220. We want percentage multiplied with 100. Okay, so this will be 9 by 11. 1 by 11 is 9.09. 9 by 11 will be 9 9s 81. 81.81%. Clear? Now, one observation we need to do. We have 4 questions in this set. If you observe, first and second one are little bit calculation based. So in the exam, if this type of set is coming, blindly solve the last 2 questions, and even if you leave, then also it's okay. Because third and fourth question will take maximum 2 to 3. Because third and fourth question will take maximum of 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2-3 minutes, marks correct, like 6 marks, which is 2 questions correct also, it's all okay to leave that set and go for the next one. Okay, so the whole idea of this set is whenever you are solving any questions, the first thing is pick up the easy ones. They will help you fetch the marks in the exam. Okay, now pause the video, try to solve the problem one more time, and then comment down how much time you took to solve this question. If at all you want to write all these questions in a test format, we have the website www.thegurukul.org.in. Go there. There is a course called 100 Days to CAT. in that every set we are doing over here is uploaded in a test format. So write the test and watch this video. Take care guys, see you in the next video.